So I'm back. So I finished this yogurt thingy, tandem. It cost me about 225 tenge, which is about half a euro, half a dollar, whatever. It's yogurt thingy with salt, like Turkish iron. So we'll go that way. I hope we can get up that tower, and then I don't know, just get lost in this big city. Intellect, física, matemática. So if you want to learn physics and mathematics, you go that way. If you want some flowers after that, you go that way. Oh my god. What were they thinking? What were they thinking? First you learn physics and mathematics, then you go get the flowers, and then you climb the tower, and that's it. Good. I like Russian mentality sometimes. They are so funny. Fuck. Okay. Yeah, no words. Physics, mathematics, flowers, yeah. Okay. Who am I to judge? I never really have been into those things, physics and mathematics and flowers, but okay. Here is some gelato. That means ice cream in Italian, so it's good, I think. And let's not try it today, maybe later. There's for you who are in love. You can sit there with a big tower in behind you. I can't see the romantics, but okay, somebody can, I guess. Cessna. Bakitin bufala, jubidibidibi jazba, ceni szczęście, bibi. So it means be grateful for happiness and be mindful of the lovers. Okay. That's what I read to you before in Kazakh language. Yeah, but I understand Russian, so it's written in Russian too. Okay, so this is basically Astana. Sorry, Nur-Sultan. If you want to sound more Arabic, Nur-Sultan. It's a pretty nice place actually. Especially the physics, mathematics and flowers thing. Yeah. Okay. Let me sit on the lover's bench by myself. And for you guys, now I get it why they come here. It's really nice and relaxing, and you can really get a pause from your partner that's sitting next to you. Oh, it's good. So you have one ice cream stand there, and then you have the competition over there. We have bambino, which means little child in Italian, and we have punto gelato. So it means a point of ice cream in Italian. So we have two Italian places, yeah. Bambino, little kid, there, unloading. And punto gelato, there, cleaning the thing. But we will not go to either of those places, so just appreciate the tranquility here and my rambling and my bad English, so yeah, that's basically it. It's really nice, it's really relaxing, guys, so it's okay. You don't get this kind of stuff in like Western cities. Well, this is, I don't know. Look at those guys posing. Yeah, some business guys posing for the pictures. It's really funny, but okay. But it's nice, it's very nice. The weather is sunny, as you can see, and it's not so warm as you would expect. I would say less than 20, like 18 degrees Celsius. Oh. Maybe I'm a little underdressed for this country, but okay, now it's end of May. For me, this is summer. It should be here too, you know. So yeah, just listen to the water flowing and set your mind at ease. Still looking for a bank. I think I found one there. It says Eurasian Bank, Eurasia. Yeah, they cannot decide if they're in Europe or in Asia, so it's Eurasian Bank. I love the Russians. Okay, Kazakh, sorry. But it's actually Russia, so. This is all Soviet Union. So, welcome to the Soviet Union. And I think I'll visit that bank if it's open to see their exchange course. Yeah, I'm still hungover from vodka, and I finished this thing, so I guess I'm drunk again. Yeah, okay. The other side is also nice, I forgot to show you. So, that tower, I'll go there after the bank. So I think I'll go to the bank now and see what the exchange rate is. If it's too bad, I will not exchange it. Yeah. Again, lover's bench with a big penis sticking out of it, and the heart looks like balls. Okay, my perverted mind. You should get used to that by now. And I will not tell you what that looks like there. Use your imagination. Come on. Okay. Little doggies at the gelato store. No idea why they would put a dog there. But I guess the dog ate the gelato. Yeah. Ah, there it says something. Ruhani Jigiru. Ruhani Jigiru. So that's the name of that big phallus thingy there. Ruhani Jigiru. So Gigolo. This is okay. But they didn't position the trees right to make a nice picture. But okay. Let's go to this bank. I think you are not permitted to take pictures inside the bank, so I'll sign off for now. They have freedom finance, yeah. Yeah. And fitness. Yeah, first you go to fitness, then you do the mind training there with the mountain physics, then you go buy your wife a flower because you have been neglecting her because you've been to fitness and training physics and mathematics. So yeah, that's basically it. Kazakhstan. Так. Okay. That's it from me for now.